So I just put on the leche flan on the steamer. I just made a mixture of the flan using Abby Marquez's recipe. It's the ultimate leche flan recipe, and you want to see, guys, the flan is already in the steamer. It's gonna take about 30 minutes in a very low fire before the flan gets cooked, but I will check it later using a toothpick if it is well done. So now we will just have to wait. You know, making leche flan is a very tedious work. You need to be very careful when mixing all the eggs together. You should not overmix it. You should be tedious, and I measured carefully the evaporated milk and the condensed milk so that the ratio and proportion of the ingredients will be just enough. Also, I added some two drops of vanilla. I don't really like vanilla, but Abby Marquez said that adding vanilla would make it nice. So I just did. Let's see the outcome later. So the flan is done after 30 slow grilling minutes, and it's time to show you the outcome. So excited. I hope this turns out really good because I followed the recipe. Oh no, but you can see it. Just look at this. It has cooled down now. Then I'm just going to flip it. So I want to show you how I flip it. I'm just going to put the plate like that and then flip. Hopefully it falls off really nice. Oh no. Oh no, it doesn't fall off that nice. It's not falling off really nice. Why is the flan not falling off?
Sintusang. Kasi why nag-melt sa niyan mga kalamay?
Why is the flan not falling off?
Para na. Samanta pala. Huwag yan makahulog mo.
Isn't it supposed to fall off?
Hindi yan mo pagkaramihan.
Ah!
Kaya man, way ka pasensya mo. Okay, hindi.
So it's ruined.
Ruined ka lang, Daddy. Kaya mas
It's not silky smooth.
Dala, Daddy.
What did I do wrong? Why isn't it silky smooth? Answer me. Why is it not silky smooth? It's supposed to be silky smooth. I strained it for 3 times.
Tama lang.
Oh, see, it has holes. It's not supposed to have holes. From the top, it looks so perfect, but from the sides, no, it doesn't because it has holes. It's not silky fine, and I don't know where I went wrong.